gagamitin mo talaga yung experience na yun, yung hurt na yun, yung pain na yun, to better yourself. Diba? And all aspects, like pa-sexy ka, magpaganda ka, para next time, kaya nga ako pumangit na sobra na ako maganda. Lalo sa upang ko.
Bakit yung binabasa yung sarili?
Yun, alam mo yun, kasi aray! Wow!
Binabasa niya yung sarili.
Ay, maganda na po
Diba?
ulit.
Maganda na po. Buwang.
Kasi nga, alam mo yun, nung time na hurt ka, kailangan ganyan, ayan, tuloy. So it's another lesson for me.
Araw-araw kasama mo ito bigat sa ulo. Hindi, saya.
So,
Pag depressed kayo, sumama kayo dito. Maku-cure ka. Thank you.
Ano mapapayo nyo daw sa mga dumaan sa heartache, ganyan? Paano nila malampasan tulad nyo ngayon? Ba't tinatawanan nyo na lang?
Sumama kay RC.
Sumama kay RC at manood ng last full show.
manood sila ang last full show.
Totoo yan. Down to our last 2 questions. Sir, kayo po, anak ko, ito
Last 2 na lang? So,
Last 2 na lang.
Kasi
RC,
May
nasabi
dami
mo
pa.
kaninang
Sir Cherry,
yung pag
Olea.
nag-ex na, yung nagsiself-destruct, na nalalapit na sa pagka-suicidal, napalapit ba kayo sa point na yon?
No naman po. I'm really glad to have my family beside me. This is something po na
Heartbeat, may sound effect.
Hindi ko alam kung
no,
sasagutin ko.
ito.
Ito.
No, honestly, there was a time talaga in my life that I was really depressed. But you gotta keep on going. I think it takes a really strong relationship with God and with your family to be able to move on with that experience and talagang change it into something positive. Kagaya po ng character ko dito, I'm really, really thankful that I have my family beside me. I remember that my first heartbreak, I was still young and naive. I don't know what to do after a heartbreak. Parang, totoo ba to? Ganun, alam mo yung feeling na yung gusto mo umiyak, yung masakit na yung lalamunan mo. First time ko yun naramdaman sa buong buhay ko kasi bata ako. But I am thankful my dad was there. I remember that day na parang Christmas yun. Oh, sobrang gago. Di ba matagal na to? So it was Christmas and then my dad asked me, oh, why are you down? Ganyan, sabi niya, there's only one man. Sabi niya, who will not hurt you. And it's me. I'm here. Tapos sinayaw ako ng papa ko. It's like that. So I'm really thankful that I have those people around me to comfort me. Kaya, whenever you're going through something like this, like a heartache or like a, ilabas mo. That's good. You go out with your friends, uminom ka, i-boxing mo, ano mo siya, gawin mo siyang outlet into making yourself or your life better. Talaga, surround yourself with all your loved ones. Yun ang secret dyan. And pray. Pray, talaga. It's a big, big thing for me. Really.
This is pain.
Asan? Ano ba pinapakita mo yung tattoo mo, muscle? Ah, muscle. Eh, kasi...
Yan ang ginagawa ng pain sa isang tao.
Ha? Oh, abs naman! Abs! Oh, abs naman! Oh. Ang laman niya,
Kumain
no?
na, nag-breakfast na ako eh.
Si JS, dumating ba din sa point na parang malapit na maging suicidal?
Actually, what? Nung nasa lingid sa kaalaman niyo naman na nag-ano ako, nag-therapy ako, and unconsciously daw, sabi ng experts o professional na I was trying to unconsciously trying to sabotage myself. Or yun yung isang option, ay isang kita nila, and yung pangalawa parang it's a cry for help yung nangyari sa akin. Both unconscious, as in I was overwhelmed lang by the emotion.